So hello everyone, so this video I'm going to show you how to run your Unity game app in your Android mobile phone. So okay, currently I have a sample project over here, just it as a button. You can load your game over here. So first what you need to do is, first you need to go to file and you need to go to build settings. So currently I am in this PC, Mac and Linux standalone and you need to change this. So if you have iOS, you need to go to iOS. I am using Android, so I'll go to Android and you need to click switch platform. So it will take some time to load. So once the importing process is over, so you will get probably the same window over here, but a slight difference will be there. The run device will be default device. So and it will be refreshed. There will be multiple options like this. So now let's come to the basic end. So in order to run your phone in the Android, you need to go to Edit, Preferences, and External Tools. So in this, the main thing you need to do is you need to install Java Jdk and Android Sdk tools. So these tools could be automatically installed while installing the required Unity version, or it could be also manually done after installing Unity. So I have done a video on how to install Java Sdk and Jdk. If you haven't done, just go to the playlist, Unity tutorials playlist, and just check that video. So you need to install Java SDK and Android. So it's Java JDK and Android SDK. So after installing that, so now you need to use your mobile phone. So first you need to go to your settings option and go to more settings, and then you need to go to developer options. That's probably, so you need to turn on USB debugging, and you need to connect your phone by using a USB port with your laptop or PC, whatever it is be. So it will ask you must also give okay for this, allow this computer to test, either the option will come, and to allow the computer to connect to it. So after doing it, main thing is the USB debugging option should be on. So file, build settings, and just you need to give refresh. So you can see here now I am using Vivo. So just you need to go click that, and then you need to go to build and run. So what build and run does is it gives a copy for us. So I'm going to store it in downloads. It will be copy. So it's going to store the APK version of the game or any app that we are doing in Unity. So this APK version is required for if you want to share this app in any other mobile phone in the form of link, this can be done. And if you're uploading your game in Play Store or any other web services, this APK file is very much important. So this is what is going to be uploaded even in Play Store. So this will be automatically saved. So as in a phone, it's going to be installed in the form of APK file. So just save it. So detecting Android SDK tools. So if you haven't installed SDK or Java JDK, during this process it will show an error, and you won't get your game on your phone. So after the process is over, it takes about 1 minute to 2 minutes depending upon your process speed. So you will get a message over here in the left corner, build completed. So it took me 3 minutes nearly. So this is how the game looks like. I just had a button only there. So it just pops up the game and it will be stored in the form of an app with a black color logo of Unity. So that's it guys. So for more Unity tutorials, kindly subscribe and support. Thank you.